A babysitter braved thick smoke carrying a 3-month-old baby boy to safety when fire razed 5 houses near the Kampung Baru Gateway in Jalan Raja Muda Musa here last night. Robiah Abdurrauf, 38, said at the time of the incident the baby was sleeping when she spotted thick smoke coming on the upper floor of the double-story house. She immediately picked up the baby to escape the fire. Visibly shaken, Robiah was very grateful that she managed to flee to safety with the baby. Meanwhile, house owner Abdurrahman Marif, 65, said his partitioned house comprises 5 small units, which house 9 of his employees who work in a nearby restaurant. He claimed that the fire was caused by a short circuit due to the condition of the house, which was 60 years old. There was a problem with the wiring before, but he had already fixed it before the fire incident. In the